Assalamu alaikum grade 1 and welcome to your computing class. So in today's class we will be discussing about what is a web page. Okay. So tell me, do you know anything related to this? Do you know what is a web page? Yes, how much of you have heard this term before? Yes. No one? Okay, no problem. We will discuss it, we will learn it together. So the web page is basically okay. Tell me, how many of you use internet on daily basis? Yes, how many? Raise your hands. Okay. For what purpose do you use? One by one. For gaming. Okay. For watching videos. Excellent. Okay. For searching anything related to your studies. How many of you use internet for your homework, for your assignments? Yes. How many of you? Okay. So when you search for something, the page that opens for you, have you seen that whenever you search for something there are multiple results in front of you, right? What do we call them as? Web pages. Excellent. When you search for something on internet, the multiple or the bundle of results that come in front of you, they are web pages, right? Okay. So how we will learn about a web page, I'll be sharing the screen with you, and then I'll show you that how you can search for something and how do a web page look like. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay, see, this is a web page in front of you. Why do we call it as web page? If you might some of you might think that this is not displaying any information, there is no information, no documents, no images related to anything, so why do ma'am call it as web page? How many of you um think about it? Is there any is such type of question in your mind? Okay, so let me answer this. You see, we call it as web page. Why? Because it is also displaying us the information in a collective way that we found, that we want to search for. Let's say I want a page on which I can search something, right? That was my need, and the computer, the internet has shown me that, so it's a web page. Now if I would search something over here, let's say it is importance of cleanliness, let's say I search it over there by using the keyboard. Now the answers which would come in front of me, the different types of answers, the different types of results that would come in front of me, they would also be different types of, they are also different web pages, and then I'll choose something from that. Okay, wait for a moment. Let's do this again. Okay, I'm going to share the screen again with you. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Is it now? Okay. Now let's search for the importance of online learning. See, now this is another web page, right? Why? Because it is showing me, it is displaying me information that I needed, that I want to search for, right? That I want to search for the importance of online learning. So it have shown me all of the results for that. Now let's say if I open any of this result, now the page that has opened now is again a web page. Why? Because it is displaying me a particular information in a collective form, right, on a page. Similarly, if I click on this arrow, it will lead me towards the previous page, and I will open another link from over there, importance of online classes or benefits of online classes. Now the page that has opened in front of us all is another web page. The website is Ecole Global, and the page that has opened in front of us is showing us, displaying us the importance of online classes. Got it? So now through this screen sharing, what I told you, or let's say if now somebody asks us to define the web page, what we call it as a page that displays us the relevant information collectively on a page, right? This is called as web page. And one more important thing for that is that we must have internet for that, because internet is the source of that. If somebody does not have internet, he cannot search for the web pages, right? So you should have this source, because in the web pages, the websites, they cannot work without internet. So now what is your class assignment or activity? That you are supposed to search for the topic. You are supposed to search for your favorite animal, or some facts, or let's say you are supposed to search for the interesting facts about Pakistan, right? I want to you to search for that. So open the browser, on search engine, type the interesting facts about Pakistan, and then there would be different web pages in front of you. Open that and show me what type of information you get there. Hurry up. Sorry. Yes. Are you guys working? Okay, good. Are you done, Elise? What type of information you get from there? Okay. Yes, Ahmed. What do you get to know about Pakistan? Very well done. So see, these were the different information, different pages that show you information, particularly specifically related to some facts about Pakistan. And we call those pages as web pages. And what is the important thing for that? What is the important source for that? Internet. Excellent. So that was all for today. See you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.